Oh, grabe, that's strong.
Parang amoy pera.
Oh, wow, I don't know.
Masarap.
Tastes like mango.
Good.
Sweet.
Everything's good. I'm happy!
I don't like ginger.
From
That's
the
turmeric.
he was thinking about the cooked
Oh, grabe, that's... Ah!
This one's good. This is spicy turmeric.
Oh, try this.
Ginger. Ginger tea. Ginger tea. Ito yung para sa boys eh, diba? Ito yung luya. This is luya.
for the onion bun.
Stronger.
It's strong. It's spicy.
Spicy.
Spicy sa throat. But it's good.
Yeah, it's
I like it. I like everything. Can I take it out? May na lang to. Why? Why are you laughing?
I like it. I like everything.
Ang okay ba? I like it. I like everything. Exact.
15 out of 10.
Hindi, kasi hindi ako umiinom ng tea, so in fairness.
I like
I like it. I like it.
I like everything.
Ala, pinapagtripan mo ako ah. But seriously though, the tea, it's a 10 out of 10 for us.
No, it's 15 out of 10.
15 out of 10 for me. I like it. I like everything. Sobrang okay. Okay, let's try out the coffee naman.
Oh, don't really ikot.
Eh kasi, no. Yeah. Iba-iba kasi yan eh.
Sige.
Like the vanilla cookie.
Oh, wow. Sarap.
Sarap. Hindi.
Yan, the black coffee. Sarap.
Uy,
Ito,
ang
mas may
bango.
enjoy ko to.
Smell it first. Delicioso. How do you...
I like it.
I like it. I like it a lot. How do you say masarap in Bali, Indonesia?
Enak.
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 Enak. Enak. Enak.
Very enak.
Enak. Ang sarap nito. Ito na naman ako. This is so good.
Yep. The coconut nut is a giant nut. When you eat too much, you get very fat.
So this is avocado naman. Avocado
Smell it.
coffee.
Smells good.
Smells like avocado talaga. Siyempre. Oh, tastes tastes like avocado also.
Yummy.
And
Next.
coconut coffee. Oh, tastes like coconut. Coconut
It's coconut coffee.
ginseng coffee.
Oh wow, I don't want to taste
You don't want to taste it.
Smell mo.
But, parang amoy pera.
Amoy pera.
Amoy pera.
Pasko.
Amoy ayuda. Ang pangit ng description. We have to taste it para yung mukha natin lang. Sige. Hindi, gawa tayo ng no reaction video. Ginseng coffee. It smells really bad. It smells really sobrang brutally honest to eh, review. Alam mo, inaamoy mo pa lang.
Inawin mo naman.
Inaamoy mo pa lang, nalasahan mo na. Wala, dapat wala reaction ah.
Ano sinasabi?
I like it.
Parang mas natakot ako sa...
No reaction yon.
Kaya nga, parang mas natakot ako eh.
Lasa siyang parang...
Sunog.
Oo, sunog.
Lasa siyang toasted rice.
Oh yeah,
Alam
I
mo
taste it
yung,
again.
yung sunog sa kalan. Kalan.
Totoo.
Caldero.
Hindi naman, it's not that bad naman pala. Nag-inerte lang tayo.
Yun nga, yung amoy lang kasi niya. Pero yung taste niya nga, para siyang tutong na kanin.
Totong nakain, yeah.
Very, parang sunog.
Okay.
This is the vanilla coffee. I'm sure masarap.
I'm sure that's yum.
Hindi, yun.
Hindi masarap. Kaya na yung taste it, mahal. Damot.
Ayaw kitang pilitin kung di ka pa handa. Sa susunod na lang, sa susunod na lang.
Okay lang. Parang tastes like water. This, I like the Bali coffee.
Yeah.
So strong. Gusto ko mag-uwi. So strong. I like this.
Very good, very good.